Airbrush makeup is important for a lot of different reasons in today's world of beauty. Whether you're working on set with film and television, or you're doing bridal and special occasion work, airbrush makeup can help you exponentially with the overall look and performance of the makeup. Now, TEMPTU's formulas specifically are made for longevity, whether it's transfer resistance or water resistance that you're looking for, TEMPTU has you taken care of. However, airbrush makeup specifically is made for high definition results. It's truly the only makeup application out there that really doesn't require you to even touch the skin. So when you're spraying the makeup onto the face, think of it as tiny little micropixels of makeup sitting on top of the surface of the skin and being recorded by a camera in a high definition pixel language. They're a perfect marriage together. The third fact about airbrush makeup is we've made it so easy to apply it flawlessly and fast. The ease of application is incredible. Many artists always gravitate towards airbrush makeup for the ease of application.